Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Cancer Moonshot Initiative. The Quad grouping consisting of India, the United States, Australia and Japan launched the Quad Cancer Moonshot Initiative. Announced by US President Joe Biden during the Quad Leaders Summit, the initiative targets cervical cancer, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. The program focuses on expanding screening, increasing HPV vaccinations, and improving treatment options for cancer patients. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the initiative's role in enhancing healthcare in Indo-Pacific nations. About Cancer Moonshot Initiative, the initiative addresses cervical cancer, a largely preventable disease that is a leading cause of death in women in the Indo-Pacific. It aims to prevent, detect, and treat cancer with a focus on underserved areas. The program promotes HPV vaccinations, increases cancer screening access, and enhances treatment facilities in the Indo-Pacific region. The initiative builds on President Biden's broader Cancer Moonshot Initiative, which seeks to halve cancer death rates in the US by 2047. India's contribution to the initiative. India announced a US $7.5 million grant for cancer testing, screening, and diagnostics in the Indo-Pacific. India will supply 40 million HPV vaccine doses to the region under the GAVI and Quad programs. Prime Minister Modi highlighted an AI-based cancer treatment protocol being developed in India. Additionally, India will contribute US $10 million to WHO's global initiative on digital health, providing technical support for cancer screening and treatment. About cervical cancer. Cervical cancer occurs in the cells of the cervix and is primarily caused by infection with human papilloma virus, a sexually transmitted infection. It is the third leading cause of cancer deaths among women in the Indo-Pacific region. The disease is largely preventable through vaccination against HPV and treatable if detected early through regular screening tests like pap smears. However, in the Indo-Pacific, less than 10% of women have undergone recent screening, leading to a higher mortality rate. Practice question: what is the main cause of cervical cancer? Tobacco use, human papillomavirus, obesity, alcohol consumption. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.